getting ready to make. I just Forstner drilled this out and then chiseled off the corners so that I could mount a 1/4 nut inside of this big block of solid maple. And then I will turn this down and surface it off, and I'll have myself a nice wooden chuck plate that I can glue and screw other stuff to. Probably what I'm going to end up doing with this one is gluing a sacrificial face to it for the most part, and that way as I'm working on these pieces like these pieces here for larger stacked pieces of segmented turning or even regular turning, I'll have a nice plate that I can mount that to. And this is what is this? This is 1 3/4 solid hard maple, so that should be a really good faceplate once all this is set up. I just epoxied this in here, and like I said, I cut a real nice tight fit, had to hammer it down in there, and it looks like I got a pretty good seating on it. I wanted to leave it a little proud so it'll butt right up to my headstock on my lathe. Okay, here's my new faceplate that I just made, and as you can see, it is running extremely true. No wobble at all. Very, very flat. So I think that's going to be a nice addition. And all that is my nut. I faced off the back side, and my nut is epoxied up in there. Seems like it works extremely well. And then it's a beautiful piece of hard maple.